Welcome back to this channel. What I have is how to make a beautiful crochet pattern. So let's get started. So right now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here. Next loop, I crochet 3 times, as you can see. Next, and you see, so this one is serving as my border for this pattern. So right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. I hand over, I insert 1, 2, 3. Where I crochet 3 times, I proceed. Next, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I proceed in the next loop. Next, so I proceed 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this loop. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here. Proceed. So right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. I yarn over, I make a pod here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I yarn over the hook again and insert. In this one I'm going to make another pod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert right here where I crochet 3 times into the next loop, next, then next. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So I make another pod right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I proceed into the next loop where I make another pod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert right here where I crochet 3 times. Next, next, then next. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. So as you can see, I've completed the round. You see. So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop, next loop, next, so I chain 2, 1, 2. So right here I'm going to make another pod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So So right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here, like so. Next, next. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I make another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert into this loop like so till I complete this round. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this. So as you can see, I've completed the round. So right now I'm going to proceed again. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert in the second loop. Next, so right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here in the corner first, then I move into the mid loop, then corner here, chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert right here. Next, 1, 2, corner, and the center loop, then corner, 1, 2. So I proceed. So this is how I'm going to go till I round it up. So this one marks, this line marks another new beginning of another set. As you can see it at the base, where I have 3, then 4 as a demarcation, so like that. Now as you can see, it becomes a repeated process. Can you see? What I have here at the base is what I've just repeated right now. Can you see? So the next repetition is going to be this one, which I have on top of this. Now as you can see, I have come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see the pattern? So I want to appreciate you all for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, kindly click on the liking button below to appreciate this work. Now if this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this channel. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below and you hit on the notification bell so that you can have access to my videos. Thank you very much. So till I come your way again, bye for now.